Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just a simple way to cook some vegetables in the air fryer, and I'm calling this my Peri Peri Veggies. Simply because I've got some spare peri peri seasoning left over that I wanted to use up, and I thought it would be perfect for cooking in some vegetables in the air fryer. So what ingredients am I using then? Because I've got butternut squash, courgette, or you might call it zucchini, some chopped red peppers, and then some leftover peri peri seasoning. What I did is I did a video for peri peri chicken, and from that I had one of the sachets and I had some spare. I wanted to see how far I could stretch it. So this is me stretching it a little bit further, and then some salt and pepper, oregano, and then some extra virgin olive oil. So it's a very simple mix of ingredients. So you take away the seasonings, then that means there's only 4 main ingredients, which is brilliant. And I've already I've already got down to cube the butternut squash. I've sliced the courgette. We've got the peppers ready. So it's a case of just mixing it in a bowl and throwing it in the air fryer. So what I am using as my bowl is this beauty. I absolutely love it. Because it's like a jug, then you can pour your ingredients directly into the air fryer. And if you want to know where I got it from, I picked it up from Lakeland. At first I thought it was just the bigger Lakeland stores that were selling it, because I picked it up in York, and then I saw it in some of the smaller ones as well. So it's become readily available. They tend to have it where if something does well in the bigger stores, then they'll bring it into the smaller ones. So add into a bowl, butternut squash cubes, red pepper, courgette, oh, missed one, and then we don't need those bowls now, and then we can focus on seasoning it all up. So, peri peri seasoning going in, salt, pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil is amazing in the air fryer. I've tried loads and loads of different oils over the years, and I found that extra virgin produces the best crispy air fried food. Well, I say the best. I would say the best for healthiness. I would say alongside it, duck fat is amazing, and so is butter, but of course we don't cook with duck fat and butter every day, do we? So for your everyday, then the olive oil is brilliant. And then that's all the main ingredients in your jug. So get your hands in, good mix. Oh, and I'm loving the colours of those. Don't they look fantastic? Oh wow, I just want to eat all this. It just looks so nice. And the great thing is it can cook together in the air fryer. You just throw it all in, let the air fryer do its magic, and then you've got a massive portion of veggies. So I'm one of these that loves my veggies, so it's perfect for me. So it just depends what you're into. So I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe, and then we can get them in the air fryer. Air fry basket out, and let's tip them all in. Oh, I mean, wow, that looks like a brilliant portion size there. I'm really impressed with that. And that is from half a medium butternut squash, 1 small courgette, and 1 full red pepper, just so that you know for portion sizes. And then pop it in. I'm looking for 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then we're going with a cook time of 20 minutes. And then press that, and then go and put your feet up and wait for the air fryer to ding.
Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details.
And we've beeped. So shall we check on these veggies and see what they're like? And wow, look at those. Don't they look fantastic? And as I said, that's just simple everyday veggies, just using some leftover seasoning that I've already got in. You know, anyone can do these. You can choose any vegetables you like. And then also note that those prepared veggie bags from the supermarket are also fantastic to use. And then, oh, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? I'm just loving that. I think that looks amazing. And then all you need now is your favourite serving dish. Put the air fryer basket away. I'll show you. And there you go. That's your veggies, ready to go, ready for the dinner table. You can have them on your own like I often do, or you can have it as part of a meal. And it's just a really, really good, really easy side dish that you can make for dinner. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.